Automatic thoughts. Automatic thoughts, they happen fast. You know it. They show up before you even realize that you were thinking that. Automatic thoughts sound like, here we go again. I hope I don't mess up. Or, she is so much better than me. I can't even handle this. These thoughts, they feel small, but the reality is they make a huge impact. Your body reacts to them, your confidence reacts to them, your performance even reacts to them. Instead of having the inner critic, I want you to learn how to spot when you have those thoughts. Let me teach you how. Are you ready? Step one, pause for a second. Check in. Ask yourself, what did I just think? Step two, how did that thought make you feel? Did it make you feel tense, calm, excited, nervous, focused, afraid, strong? Step three, ask, is this thought helpful or is this thought hurtful? Here's an example. You walk up to the plate. Automatic thought, I don't want to strike out. How does it make you feel? Tense, scared, tight. Is it helpful? Absolutely not. No way is a negative thought ever helpful. So let's change that thought to a new thought. All right, you walk up to the plate, see ball, locate the ball, swing, trust my swing, connect, and run. Another example. Coach yells your name. Automatic thought, oh my gosh, what did I do wrong? That thought makes you panic. It makes you freeze in the moment. It makes you worry. So is panic and worry and freezing helpful? Absolutely not. New thought. Coach yells your name. All right, coach wants effort. Coach wants me to respond. Coach wants me to adjust. When you start catching your thoughts, you can control your mindset. Awareness is actually the first step in becoming a mentally strong athlete. I want you to remember that. Catch your thoughts. Are they helpful or are they hurtful? Now, if no one else has told you today, I want to be the first. I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. You are more than capable. You are a great athlete. You have to tell yourself that every day. You have to practice the mental side of the game as much as you practice the skill set side of the game. Because the mental side is going to keep you strong. It's going to keep you performing better. And you are going to be proud of yourself. Now, it's time for you to answer the journal questions. These are so very important because it helps you evaluate yourself and realize what your thoughts really are. So now answer the 3 questions, and I would love for you to share in our group and in our community, because the more connections you can make with other athletes, the better you're going to become. You're going to realize you're not alone. And when you change your thoughts, you change you. Get after it.